Here we are. Previously said 96 LT1. Actually, I think it's a 97 LT1. So I'm going to try not to have that light mess this up. So what we got, I took it apart, put this harmonic bouncer on, took the Optispark out, put this GM Performance Delete in. I just left this water pump, put it back on it. Looks like it might be the original. It's probably not good, but it's okay for now. And anyone that wonders if this thing will clear that harmonic damper, there's the number right there. No, it won't. That's a 7.5 inch damper, which the original one is too, but I just took a file and filed off enough of this and then redid the groove, and then we'll go with that. So there it is, that beautiful blue gasket. And GM Performance intake. Use the original bolts. Might get some more, I don't know. I put this gauge on here, and then we've got this tool to spin the water pump. So it does well. Hooked it up, had it running on a cordless. This was setting at about 50 for a few minutes. Popped this off. We had oil in there, so that looks good. And I did crank the engine a little bit while it was the oil was going in it to get it on the bearings, and it just went around really nice. So, all right, this was kind of the first video in this series of the carbureted. Of course, we'll put a holly on it. This is just to cover it. I also use that to put this on, keep from smearing the RTV on the ends. And then the sun's coming through that door. That's not good, I understand. And then we're going to take that and put it into this. We're going to put the radiator in it. We're going to put enough of the radiator holder, whatever it is, and brace it, whatever we need to do. We're going to energize this thing and run it right here. So stay tuned.